Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use styles and PixVerse AI video. So let me describe you the styles. There are four styles as we all know. So the PixVerse offers a range of styles to transform your videos, of course. So that's why some people use styles, and yeah, it's so useful. So for example, we have realistic style. It's produced lifelike visual, ideal for professional or cinematic content. And there are more three styles. Let's see or let's find out which ones they are. Alright, so I just want you to open up your browser and then go into pixverse.ai. Alright, and right here what you want to do is to go into create in the left menu, click on it. And right here I will go into the size. Right here, as you can see, I have the size option. So once I click on the size option, there are five styles. So the anime style, as I told you, all right. So it's features a vibrant color and expressive visuals, and it's also perfect for story driven or stylized animations. So everybody knows what anime is or what animes are. So you make your video just by clicking or by choosing this style, look like the anime that we all know. Alright, and also we have the 3D animation, and we all also know the 3D animation. It adds depth and dimension, enhancing the immersive quality of your videos. And right here we have Clay, and it's like comic. Yeah, it's similar kinda to comic. So the clay provides a handcrafted stop motion feel suitable for playful or whimsical scenes. So I don't know. It's if your content based on this kind of size, you can just go with clay or clay. Alright, so we have the cyberpunk, and the cyberpunk, so good, so beautiful style. Yeah, it's has too much colors on it, and so much animations. And the comic, we all know about it. Anyways, for me, I prefer the cyberpunk and the anime style. So, for example, I would just choose the anime style, and yeah, right here you can choose the ratio of your video. So for me, I will go with that one because I want to post that video on TikTok, for example, and I will set the duration on 8 seconds. And right here I will add the auto speech, so I can type, for example, in the auto speech section, whatever you do, you will get less, for example. And right here I will describe the content that I want to create, and I will add a picture, and then I will go into create, and I'm finished. I just should wait for the video to be uploaded, and then I will download it into my device. Anyways, thank you for watching, and goodbye.